Budgie is a little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero. Hello everyone, rocketing rotors.
Thank you. Please prepare to record. Thank you. Press the start button to go. Hold on tight, here we go.
Budgie is a little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero. Rocketing rotors. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pippa, Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure. Budgie! Rocketing rotors. Budgie will always help if there's a problem. Jumping joysticks. And if someone's in trouble, he's there on the double. He'll just grin and zoom up to the rescue. To the rescue.
Gee, you guys are small.
Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pippa, Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure. Budgie is a little helicopter. He is nippy, look at him go with Budgie, the little helicopter.
Have a nice day.
And that was the Budgie the Little Helicopter ride by Jolly Roger Limited.